We're solving problem 20 from the 2019 F equals MA exam B. A block on a ramp is given an initial velocity v0 upward along the ramp. It slides upward for a time t sub u, traveling on some distance, and then slides downward for the time t sub d until it returns to its original position. What is t sub d in terms of t of u? The height of the incline is 0.6 times its length, and the coefficient of kinetic friction between the block and incline is 0.5. So mu in this case would represent the coefficient of kinetic friction between the block and the incline. We know that is 0.5. We know that the height of incline is 0.6 times its length. Now, from our kinematics, we know that for it going upwards, the distance d is equal to v final t minus 1/2 a t squared, where d is equal to 1/2 a sub up t squared sub up. And now for the downwards motion, well, d is equal to the velocity 0 t. And now what this means is basically gravity, right? But you have to add gravity since it's going down now because it's accelerating with the object. So this is plus 1/2 a t squared, where d is equal to 1/2 a sub d t sub d squared. Now since we know these two are equal, we say that a sub u tu squared is equal to a sub d t d squared. So tu over td is equal to the square root of au over ad. We know that m a sub u is mg sine theta plus mu of mg cosine theta. And for m a sub d, this is mg sine theta minus mu mg cosine theta. Therefore, we have these values. So plugging it into this time, ratio, we get that t sub u over t sub d is equal to the square root of sine theta plus mu cosine theta divided by sine theta minus mu of cosine theta. Since we have these, we can now plug in the given values for the problem. So sine of theta is essentially, well, we know that the height of the incline is 0.6 times its length, so that's just going to be 0.6. So tu over td is equal to 0.6 plus mu is 0.5, and the other one, cosine theta is 0.8 because of the other cosine 0.8. And then this is 0.6 minus 0.5 times 0.8. That's an 8. And then square root this. Now from this ratio, you get that t sub u over t sub d simply equal to the square root of 5. This answer corresponds to C on the test, and square root 5 is t0 is our answer.